SNS Superbrand provides key insights to grow and expand various business models. It is built around the idea of profitable and sustainable business growth through quality associations and partnering with the right investor vis-a-vis businesses. Please welcome owner of SNS Superbrand and our franchisee partner, Mr. Nishit Saigal. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Team Vyapar Jagat, for having me here.
Great, sir. I'm very excited and eager to know about your business and your journey, and, of course, your success story. So, let me ask you, how did you come up with the idea of such an interesting business?
As you very correctly mentioned in our intro, SNS Super Brands is a leasing and a franchise investment advisory. And as a business, we are here to actually help and promote other businesses. We are here to support investors who are looking to expand their revenue streams and invest into newer businesses, newer avenues, so that they can diversify their income brackets. The reason and the way that we came up with this particular business is such that in the market we see there is a huge void. There are a lot of businesses who want to grow themselves. There are a lot of people who want to do better in their businesses, and the only thing that they lack is information. And the time when this particular piece of information is missing, the only reason why they are not able to grow is because they do not know how to approach the market. They do not know how and when will they be able to promote their business to reach out to investors who are not able to figure out what the business offering is all about, and should they or they should not invest into this particular business. So,
Correct.
with this void in the market, we came up with the idea, and we have become one of India's leading integrated business solutions provider. That's our journey, and that's who we are.
Superb, sir. So, I would like to ask you that how much time did it take you from conceptualizing your business to actual launching it in the market?
We conceptualized this business approximately 5 years ago, and it took us more than 2 years to launch it entirely and have all the functions, all the wings fully functional. Today, SNS Superbrands services over 12 different categories with more than 500 brands on board. We have serviced more than 50 commercial properties with one of the leading set of developers across India. We also have about more than 500 deals done, and we've consulted over 150 brands in taking their businesses forward and growing them from scratch.
Wow, what a data. So, I would like to ask what are the services that you're offering?
So basically, SNS Superbrands, like I told you, being a leasing and a franchise investment advisory, offers number one, investment advisory. When an investor comes on board, he wants to understand what sort of businesses can I put my money into, how can they diversify, what are the options that they have available within their budget. So this is number one, we give investment advisory. We give brand advisory and consulting. Basically, a brand who wants to come on board wants to understand what should be the business models, what are the legalities involved, legal paperwork, how do they seek new investors, how do they promote themselves. This is what we do. So brand consulting is number two. Number three is media and launch planning. So we have a very vast experience when it comes to media. We do media releases, we do logo designs, we do planning services, we do launches. All of this is covered as a part of our third service. We also do leasing. Leasing typically means larger brands that are looking for new commercial spaces, associations where they can set up their signature stores. So leasing is a part of the fourth activity. Number five is mall consulting. So if there is a new mall coming up in a city, in a town, where they are looking to set up the entire mall, it's a larger space, thousands of shops, and there is zoning required, there is categorization required.
Hmm.
It requires for the mall owners to understand what sort of brands to place where. This entire layouting and designing is done by SNS Brands. And last but not the least, we have our real estate services where we do everything from buying, selling, leasing, rentals, and all of that. So industrial, commercial, and residential is covered by the real estate team.
Definitely, sir. Superb services, and also Vyapar Jagat is looking forward to have a franchisee model from you.
Absolutely. We have them exclusively on board with us. We're going to be designing something which we can help them take all over India.
Superb. So, I would like to ask you that nowadays there are many industries like yours, like many branding, many investing advisories, they are there. But what sort of competitive advantage you provide to your customers?
The biggest point that we believe in is that we give the right fit to the right person. So if there is a brand who wants to give the franchise, or if there is an investor who wants to buy a franchise, it is very important to understand what background does the person comes from, what sort of skill set does that particular person have. We as a company, as a part of our investment advisory services, we profile the customer. We spend a lot of time in discussing the right fit for the right person. All the others contemporaries that you may talk about who are doing similar services in the market, they are selling these services in bulk. So basically it is a bundled set where you come and you pick and choose what you want. The difference is when you go to a mall and you do self service when you are buying off a superstore, as compared to when you go to a smaller shop where the owner knows you personally and he gives you personal service and suggests that you should take this because this is good, you can try, this is new, things like that. So our competitive advantage is in the individual interpersonal interaction that we have from the senior management to every single investor and brand, which helps us to build a personal connect with them and for them to get better and faster conversions from us.
If I'm not wrong, your service is a high profile service. So, are you able to offer any monetary competitive advantage to your clients?
Very, very vastly for that matter. Us being a Gujarat based entrepreneurial company, we understand that price sensitivity is the most important.
For
So,
Gujaratis, yeah. And of course,
anybody
for
and
everyone.
everybody. Absolutely. So, for that matter, price sensitivity is a typical Indian mentality. It is not just a Gujarati mentality,
Correct.
but it is more so prevalent here in Gujarat. So, people are predominantly of the idea that they are looking for value for money always. So, मतलब 10 रुपए में 100 रुपए का काम अगर मिलता है तो they are more than happy. What we have done is that we have integrated all our services in-house. And the biggest advantage that we are able to give our customers is very, very competitive pricing because of this, that we have developed all competencies on board inside the team, which means that we are independent. We are not reliant on any third party service provider. All our service providers are on board and on roles of the company. So the company knows that there is a fixed cost towards delivering the output that is desired by the client. And that's how we are able to give them a very good competitive edge.
Great. So, having everything in house and not outsourcing anything, what are your large goals and what do you want to achieve from your business? Any
So
expansions?
sure. So SMS basically was built around the idea of giving a good value proposition to whomsoever gets associated with it, no matter which service we give out of the entire list of 6 services. Those people who get associated with us are at all times assured of the fact that they will get a quality output. What we aim to do as a vision of the company is this, that we create more such value centers. Today, we are present in 12 cities across 8 states and 4 countries outside India as well. The plan is obviously to go larger, grow bigger, go to locations where we see a lot of potential. For example, you look at a country like Australia. Australia in itself is a very, very big booming economy. Canada has always been one of the forefront of locations where we are yet to reach. So we plan to expand our wings to go to such locations, add more brands at a national and an international level to our kitty, and expand the bouquet of services to our to our consumers.
So, to be more clear, you are looking for international clients over there overseas, or you are looking for some property, commercial places, or something like that for giving it on lease or something.
So both of them, eventually, property and lease that you talk about is required to be occupied. So who are the occupiers? Who are the people who will take it on lease? It will be brands. It will be businesses who will set up their offices or set up their stores in that particular commercial property. So the primary agenda is to bring on board international investors, is to bring on board international brands who can be. So, for example, we talk about Caesar's Palace. We talk about the pizza brand. So Little Caesars, I'm sorry. Little Caesars is a US based brand which is now there in India. So an international brand has come to India. Vice versa, Honest, Have More, all of these are brands that have gone. Choice, a very famous Ahmedabadi brand, has gone to the US all the way. They have their stores, their setups in New York. So this would mean that there is a lot of internal transfer possible from India to other countries and from other countries back to India. This is the space where we are looking to be.
That's great. So, I would like to know about your team, that who all work with you and your office culture.
Sure. So, as a part of our team, we are approximately 25 members strong. This is the core team that I'm talking about. And from the core team, as the founder and the managing director, myself, over and above myself, we have our director of sales, who's also the co founder of the company. Her name is Ms. Shweta. And she basically becomes the forefront face when it comes to taking the brands forward. So, from the woman empowerment perspective, also, we have a very, very key position taken care of by a very smart businesswoman, followed by a gentleman by the name of Mr. Suman Datta. This gentleman is the chief strategy officer. He looks after the entire brand consulting piece. So whenever a new brand comes on board, people who are looking to diversify, their financial offering, their franchise offering is monitored and taken care of by Mr. Suman Datta. We have Mr. Ekansh Diwan, who happens to be the chief marketing officer. So all the lovely promos that you see, our website, all the logos, the great amount of designing that happens is done by this gentleman. And then we have our head design team. The head of the design team is Mr. Pankaj. Mr. Pankaj takes care of the execution of the entire social media and online promotions.
Superb, superb. And what about the office culture? Are you all very friendly, or there's a strict environment in your office to work for?
See, we personally feel that there is nothing like office time. Yeah, all time is business time basically. So it is from the time that you wake up to the time you go to sleep. So our team replicates that particular thought process. We are on our toes all the time. We celebrate, we have fun, we do a lot of internal gifting. We enjoy being together, and we have our set of reasons to party more frequently than do. So mostly what happens is in the office, the culture is always more of a go-getter attitude. People are always working more and more towards making their achievements bigger than the last time. So the overall atmosphere that we've been able to successfully create is very, very progressive, and people looking to grow from where they are today.
Super, because one of your service is branding also, and it's a creative field. You cannot fix
Yes,
time for creativity. That is super.
exactly.
So, as an entrepreneur, I would like you to give some message and convey to other entrepreneurs and early risers and startups for the inspiration.
So I feel no business idea is very small. That is very, very important to be remembered. And it is not always money that makes a business big. It is the effort that you put behind the idea that you have. We had an idea when we began. I'm taking my own example because I feel that is one particular thing which we did really well, which is fairly doable for anybody and everybody. We do not have products, we have services, as everyone knows. So SNS Super Brands as a service provider, when we started, when people did not quite know us in the market, we were individually surviving on our own individual goodwill. Every individual member of the team put in their personal reference and brought in the business. And today, when there is a process in which the business is getting auto-generated, in spite of that, there is a good amount of personal connect. As a company, whatever capital investment was infused at the time of starting our company, we were able to pay off these debts in less than 1 year, which means that the company was debt-free from the capital investment in less than 12 months. This is something that even we did not imagine when we got started. So my strong message to all the early risers is, if you have an idea, if you have clarity of thought and you know what you want to do, make a good, strong plan out of it and follow it to the T till the time you don't achieve success.
And also connect to SNS Super Brand for branding and franchisee models, and also investors, and for every business solution, right?
You're very
So,
welcome.
yeah, and what a intellectual conversation with you, Mr. Nishit Saigal, and thank you for joining with us.
Thank you,
So,
Kavita.
I would like to thank our franchisee partner, Mr. Nishit Saigal, for joining with us. Thank you so much. It was great to connect to you.
Likewise, thank you very much, Kavita. Thank you, Team Vyapar Jagat.